In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 mobile. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, this walkthrough will help you navigate the app with confidence, place trades, and monitor your positions right from your phone. When you open the MT5 app, you'll see four main tabs at the bottom. Quotes is where you find tradable instruments like major currency pairs and gold. Tap any symbol to see details or to open a trade ticket. Charts shows price movement with candlesticks so you can analyze trends. You can zoom, scroll, and switch timeframes to get a clearer view. Trade is your live dashboard for open positions, where you'll see your balance, equity, and current profit or loss. History is your archive of past trades and results, helpful for reviewing performance. To place a trade, start from the Quotes tab and tap the symbol you want. For example, a currency pair. Choose Trade or New Order to open the ticket. Set your volume, which is your lot size. This controls how big your position is and how much you're risking per move, so adjust it carefully. You can add a stop loss to limit potential loss and a take profit to lock in gains. Both are optional, but strongly recommended. If you believe price will rise, tap Buy. If you think it will fall, tap Sell. Your order will appear immediately in the Trade tab. Managing a position is straightforward. Go to the Trade tab, tap the open position, and choose Close if you want to exit. If you prefer to protect or target a specific price, tap Modify to adjust your stop loss or take profit levels. This lets you refine your plan without closing the trade. For charting, open the Charts tab. Swipe left or right to move through time and pinch to zoom in or out. Tap the screen to reveal tools, then change the time frame to suit your analysis from M1 and M5 for short-term views to H1 and D1 for broader trends. You can add indicators like a moving average or RSI and draw lines or trend lines to mark key levels and directions. If you can't find a market you want, go to Quotes, tap the plus icon, and search for instruments such as Forex pairs, gold under XAUUSD, or popular indices like US 30 and NAS 100. Add them to your list for quick access. A few important notes before you trade. The mobile app is designed for trading and monitoring, not full automation. Expert advisors don't run on mobile, and trailing stops may be limited depending on your version. Always ensure you log in with the correct broker server to avoid connection issues.